Hi friends, welcome to Suriworks channel. This is Suresh Suri and today we will learn how to create Angular project by using CLI command. So friends, let's start. So first I'm going to create a one new folder on my desktop. Oops. Then we will open the VS Code. In the VS Code, select the file menu and click the open folder. Choose your location. Then choose your folder and select. So now what we will do, go to your terminal menu and click the new terminal. So now here we write our command ng new folder name. The folder name is my app. Enter. Now it is asking would you like to Angular routing. So if you want to Angular routing, you can choose yes, but in this project I don't want to Angular routing, so I choose n no. So friends, it is asking another option, which style sheet format would you like to use. So I would go with CSS. Now you can see node packaging module is loading. Friends, make sure whenever we create Angular application on that time, always your internet should be turned on. Otherwise, we will not able to create our application. Still downloading our packages. It will take 2-3 minutes. Now you can see we created our project successfully. Click your project and you can see there is lot of files are available, and Node.js module, src, angular.json, so many files are available. So what I'm going to do, first click src folder. Under the src folder you can click f folder, and you can see your application files. Now I'm going to run my project. Go to terminal and switch your project location. cd my app ng serve open. Friends, we get the output in our browser. You can see our project running successfully. Now I am going to VS Code and click the HTML file. So guys, I would like to delete all of this. I want to change my output data. So what I am going to do, go to your TS file. Here change title name SuriWorks. Save and then click HTML file. Click H1. Write your interpolation title style. I'm using here some style, color red, save and go to your browser. Now guys, you can see your output totally changed. Okay, I would like to center this title, so what I'm going to do, align test align center. Go to your output. Guys, you can see your output automatically reflected. Friends, remember one thing, whenever you change your data on VS Code, the data will automatically reflected on your browser. Let's check once. Go to TS file. Please subscribe Suriworks channel. Save. Now I'm update my data on VS Code. Let's check on the browser. Click the browser. You can see guys, the data automatically updated. Friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.